Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this ornament. He's actually a shop teacher. And I love helping shop teachers because I have to say that most of my metalworking and woodworking ability came from those men when I was in high school. So what we're going to do, he's trying to get some ornaments ready for his kids. We're not going to do anything to this but trace it. And I noticed something looking at it, that it's all like an interior feel, so we need to trace it. Just takes a second, say okay. Now we still have some white in the middle, right? But the outline doesn't really matter because everything goes inside. If we take, let me tell you what before we start this, see how big this thing is. It's almost 6 inches, so let's take our yellow box, nudge it over. Let's set our nudge factor to 6 inches and be ready. And then just take the Smart Fill tool, set on black, and fill in that right there, and then nudge it over, left click, right click on a hairline, and that ornament's ready to cut out. That's all hairlines. I would do a few things maybe differently, move this circle around, and to do that, you're gonna have to go to break the curve apart. That way you could check and it's also very hard when your yellow box is getting in your way. Let's just delete the yellow box. You could check that hole size for your whatever ribbon, but since we broke the curve apart, you could make it a little, and he'll know about strength, being a shop teacher, and just a couple of things that trace pretty good. An individual, so it doesn't have to be perfect or even symmetrical. That's pretty cool within itself, but you could always take that away and just kind of look at it. Now I'm thinking he's going to have to put a name in here. And I don't know if this school has a laser engraver and they're just going to cut this out and engrave a name in there. If he does, he'll let me know and I'll make him a second video. But that's pretty quick and easy how to do that. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.